Relax. Вдишиш дълбоко.
I wonder if she's getting these wonderful adjustments for free. Just a question.
I'm trying.
Right there. Oh!
You could tell I needed that.
Sink it down. Oh.
God.
Jesus. Wow. So this thing.
If she's not their model for the clinic, they oughta think twice. Darn it. I don't know if I should envy getting the adjustments or become a chiropractor.
Диши дълбоко. Стиши. No. Oh. Oh yeah.
That's what you call a crack, a pop, and a
It's a
crunch.
nice easy sink. And thrust. There you go. Good stuff. So breathe in. Just let it go. Sink it down.
Oh. That felt good.
Just relax. Oh. Oh my.
The shock and surprise on the guy's face tells you just how loud those cracks were.
Fall down in.
That has got to be one of the most emotional response to an adjustment that I've seen.
Wow. My arms. This is what I needed forever.
You can tell she's done this many times before, right?
Exhale. Here we go, let's cycle. Breathe. Exhale.
Oh, that hit.
There we go. Breathe in deep. Exhale. Alright, good. Really good. Oh, there we go.
I felt that.
Teeth together.
Holy shit. Okay.
If you ever doubted if these adjustment cracks are real, her face tells it all.
Oh my god.
Okay. Do you have any idea how long I've waited for my neck to feel that relief? Yeah.
Here we go, bud.
Oh.
There we go. It's okay. There you go.
I don't know if they're trying to be cool or what, but these are really subdued reactions.
There you go. There you go. There you go. All right.
So, I think I know what I'm doing a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
It's probably safe to say that she won't forget her first adjustment.
That was scary, Tyler.
Oh, shit, sorry.
No, it was cool though.
Yeah, it was cool.
But holy shit.
That's me. Hashtag scary but cool. So for the students, I'm gonna use a contact right here, on the tip. Get right on her atlas. Really get in there, right there. Lock it out,
Oh my gosh.
slide through.
Little push.
Oh yeah.
That was nice.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Right there.
Ooh. What I would give to get cracks as good as those.
Oh yeah. We're gonna do one more up here.
Ooh.
Forward. That was good. My gosh.
Either she finds this underwhelming or she's just really hard to please.
Achtung. Okay. Okay, locker lassen. Da. Jawohl.
Unlike this guy who really knows just how good it is.
It adjusted before I even pushed on it. Yeah. Squeeze. Every time. No. Towards me. Letting it roll. Good. Now, all I have to do is push down through there. Very good. And then all I do is tap through there. Oh. And then all I do is bring back and then to lift again. Yeah. Nice.
It looks like she was expecting a little more pop.
Oh, beautiful. Whew. Oh my god. Oh, that was nice.
Oh man, that was good. It's like my vision's in 3D now. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, that's where it's been hurting too.
Relax your right butt cheek more.
Good. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh man, that was good. Oh my.
The relief that this big guy feels is just awesome.
That is great. God, that's the first time I've been pain-free standing up in so long. I haven't been pain-free standing up in 10 years plus, man.
Oh,
So interlace your hands.
okay.
Yeah, it's a really good one.
Wow.
You've seen this one.
Yeah, I have.
I'm sure you've seen this. Yeah, it's a really nice one though.
Oh.
Hopefully yours goes. So elbows in. Yeah, like squeeze them in. Squeeze them in.
That was some happy surprise right there.
Gosh, that was crazy.
Good. That's awesome. Oh, wow. There we are.
Oh man.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Big man crying from relief.
It's going through your head.
Man. The relief. Oh man. A lot better.
Wow.
Some people are just crunchy.
That was a good one. That was like 3 ribs. Let it sink down. Oh my gosh. There might be one more. There it is. Let's just see it. Nice. Holy cow. How are you cracking this much? Glide. Nothing crazy. Just basics. And then right up here. This one's like a little push. It's just a nice, easy. Good.
Even she can't believe how crunchy she is.
That was your first magic hug, by the way.
Wow.
That was really good.
Okay.
Good. Breathe. Oh, whoa.
You did it. Wow.
Wow.
Must be awesome to be in a profession where you know right away if you did a good job or not.
Shoulders and hips. Holy shit. Oh my god. Woo!
Oh God, I'm so excited.
Each person has a different level of flexibility to drop the head.
Yep, I'm sold. Sign me up. I'm getting cracked.
Oh my god. That was everything. So good. And it's so gentle. I was like expecting it to like be painful, but it's just like so, I don't know, like you're in a little cloud and then you're in heaven. It's great.